fidget spinner cannon. The difficulty of this fidget spinner cannon is 3 out of 10. The time is 5 to 10 minutes and the tool level is 3. So take a piece of cardboard and punch one hole next to the edge. Take another piece, the same length, and punch another hole, exactly the same. Then take a pen of any size and your fidget spinner. Take one piece of cardboard and slide the pen through the hole. Then take your fidget spinner and slide it through the pen. Then finally take your last piece of cardboard and slide it through. Then take a paper clip, mold it like this, and punch another hole so it's aligned with the hole in the fidget spinner. Now you slide this through all of it into the end. So now you have it like this. This will be useful later on. Now make a handle. I don't care how you make it, just make it. And take some tape. Put a double-sided tape on both sides. If you don't know how to do it, you just do it like this. Take tape and put it on side to side. So now you have double-sided tape. Put it on both sides and then stick it into this. Doesn't matter if the other piece falls out because you will need it for a while. Now take some more tape and wrap it around the handle, firmly attaching it. Really doesn't matter how you attach it, just really attach it. Okay, so once you finish that, take a piece and fold it 4 times. Then take the end that's been folded, put it here, and stick it with the double-sided tape. Stick it. And put it in very firmly so it doesn't fall out, because it's going to be one of the key pieces later on when you fire your gun. Then you take another piece, which is the same, doesn't matter how you put it, and slot it through the middle, just because, well, it's for support. Take another 2 pieces of double-sided tape and stick it on to the thing. Again, attach it firmly. Now you have the basis of your gun. If this plastic piece or paperclip fell out, whatever you're using, slot it back in. That's the start of the paperclip gun. Now take a paperclip and apply lots of extra tape, and then put it on the front of the gun. You need to apply lots of tape so when you fire it, it doesn't shoot back into your eye. Or if you're aiming, then yeah, it doesn't fire back into your eye. Make sure that a bit of it is sticking out of the front. Just a bit, but still. Make sure to apply lots of tape, and I mean a lot. Okay, there you go. Now you just need an elastic band. Wait, one sec, let me get some. Thank you. Apply a bit more tape to your handle. And then take the elastic band, slide it over here, and slide it to the end of the fidget spinner. But first, like I didn't do, be sure to slide the paperclip through the gun and through the hole. Then you put this, take this, and done. This is an elastic band gun. Fire your gun, or cannon, whatever you made it. Simply pull this, get a firm grip, and pull this. I will show you. One sec. It goes from a range of 1 meter to 3 meters. Fire your cannon, simply pull the trigger. Get a firm grip and pull the trigger, like so. Now, do it again. Fire your elastic band gun, simply get a firm grip on the handle and pull this. Watch now.
Stop, please.